Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some buffalo chicken wings. Yes, may I tell you, this right here is gonna be so delicious. So guys, this is my wings right here that I wash and clean in some lime juice, and I also cut it. Okay, you can leave it all if you want, you don't have to cut it, and I'm using 1 pack. Okay, so these are my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of my onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, put it right there. So guys, I'm just gonna add some olive oil onto my chicken wings to keep it nice and moist, and when the season on it, the season will stick. Yeah, I'm just gonna add it. I'm not gonna add all my seasoning. I'm gonna leave back some for my flour mixture. Yeah, leave back this amount. And I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning. Okay, then guys, I'm gonna take my nice clean hand and just massage all those seasoning all over on my chicken wings. Guys, are you a flat lover or are you a drum? Comment below and tell me what's your favorite part on the chicken wings. Honestly, I love flat. I like bone. You can always leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Okay, so this is nicely seasoning. Perfect. So guys, this is my flour mixture, and I have at least 2 cups of plain flour. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm gonna add all my remaining seasoning. Yeah, just like so. Then I'm gonna also add 1 teaspoon of my smoked paprika, just for color, and 1 teaspoon of my garlic powder. Okay, yeah. Then I'm just gonna mix it all in so everything all combined. Yeah, guys, this is my milk. Here I have at least just over 1.5 cup of milk, whole milk, and I also have 2 eggs. You can also use buttermilk. Okay, yes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my egg to my milk like so. Then I'm gonna also add 2 teaspoons of my all-purpose seasoning, and I'm just gonna whisk it all in. Yeah, that's done. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my wet mixture onto my chicken wings. Oops. Yeah, just like so. Then I'm just gonna push it down, just like so. So now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly coat my chicken wings into my flour mixture, just like so. And you can double coat it as well, like you can dip it back and coat it back again. You can also do that, but it's totally optional. Okay, then you're gonna shake off any excess flour and add it to a plate. Okay, yes, and you just want to carry on with the same process. So guys, this is what my chicken wings look like after I cut it. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fry it. Make sure that your oil is already heated up, okay? Yes. Nicely coated. Perfect. So guys, these are all of my ingredients for my sauce. Here I have over 1 cup of my Frank Red Hot Buffalo sauce. You can use whichever hot pepper sauce you have. I also have ½ cup of honey. These are my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of my garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of my brown sugar. Guys, you know that the sauce is already hot. So the reason why I add the honey is just to, you know, blend out the taste, because me don't want it to be too spicy. Yeah, so that's the reason why. So now guys, I'm gonna fry my chicken wings. So to my pot I add some vegetable oil. You can use whichever oil you have. You want to make sure that you have enough oil so your chicken wings will deep fry properly, okay? So now that my oil is all heated up, I'm gonna add a scotch bonnet pepper, which is optional. Yeah, you can see it's frying, but you don't want to turn up your stove too high, okay? So now I'm just gonna add my chicken wings. That temperature is perfect. Try not to add too much chicken wings. I'm just gonna fry it for at least 6 minutes on each side, okay? So now guys, I'm gonna flip it over. Nice and golden. So guys, my chicken wings are fried. So I'm just gonna remove it. Gonna add it to my cooling rack. Remaining chicken wings. So now guys, I'm gonna make my sauce. So here I have my saucepan on my stove, and I'm gonna add at least just over 1 tablespoon of my butter. Just gonna allow it to melt. So when it is all melt, now I'm gonna add my Frank red hot sauce. I'm gonna pour it all in. You're just gonna mix it. Make sure that everything is all combined. Now guys, I'm gonna add my honey. And when you mix it while you're adding it, okay? And now I'm gonna mix. You just wanna gently, blend your seasoning and just add it, just like so. And now guys, I'm gonna add my sugar. And you can always taste it to your liking, okay? I'm gonna also add a small amount of my ginger powder. And this just gonna add more flavor, okay? And I'm just gonna leave it for at least 2 to 3 minutes, okay? So guys, when your sauce is finished, you can just turn your stove off, okay? Guys, I just add my buffalo sauce in a bigger pan. As you can see, it is getting nice and thick. And that's exactly what you want. It looks super, super delicious. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna turn my stove off, okay? So guys, this is my chicken wings. As you can see, it is perfectly fried, and it is so nice and so crispy, I'm telling you. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour all that sauce. Oh my gosh, look at that guys, so good. This is mouth watering, absolutely delicious. My chicken wings is all coated in all that delicious buffalo sauce. So I'm just plating it all up. I'm telling you guys, this recipe is a must try. I just taste some and it is absolutely delicious. Your families, your friends, everyone are gonna like it. It's nice. Add some parsley. Yeah, that's it. There you have it guys. This is how I make my buffalo chicken wings. I hope you guys do give it a try. And if you try it, don't forget to comment below and tell me what it's like. I'm telling you, it is absolutely delicious. So yummy. Look at the color, so nice and so red, just perfect. So guys, this is it. This is how I make my buffalo chicken wings. I'm telling you, it came out perfect. It is absolutely delicious. If you try it, don't forget to comment below and tell me what it's like. Please share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Please also give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe for many more delicious recipes like these. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Love you guys. Mwah. So guys, I forgot to mention, I serve my buffalo chicken wings with some mashed potato, as you can see, and some broccoli, carrot on the side. You can serve it with rice or whatever you prefer. I have a video on my channel on how I make my mashed potato, so you guys can go and check it out, okay? Yeah.